Finally, I was able to find a B pillar and a C pillar trim from the junkyard, which basically I have just to clean up, and they all turned out pretty well. There were some stuff here that got broken when I took it out, but an epoxy actually like fixed them. So yeah, like this one got cracked when I took it out. This one too got cracks in here. Same thing with this one. Oh, I could see it. I could hear the crack, but yeah, with this kind of plastic at this age, yeah. So that one got the epoxy down here. So luckily, putting them in will not crack. Usually, the crack happens when you try to pull them out. Yep. These are the C pillars. You won't notice any imperfection once they're there, but it's way better than what I have now. The state where they are now, it's pretty bad actually. And last time when I tried to take them out to fix the antenna, like it's just loose. Basically it's broken. See, I just like snap it like really light, and it's broke. Yep. So yeah. So if you have a bad antenna, you basically have to just take out this C pillar, pull out the light. Yep. So I got the light here. Usually the problem with this light is that it becomes it will be broken into two pieces. Yep. Let me, because when you pull it out, this upper housing, this crystal over here basically snaps out, and yeah, see this one, the bulb actually snaps out. Yep. Need to push that in. Nope. Yep. I need to disconnect this one. Can't do it with one hand out, and this one actually got stuck in here. Yep. And this is the antenna. I think it works for both your keyless entry, and then I think one of this connection is the antenna that goes to this rear windshield actually. So last time what I did is I just like loosen this one up and then retighten them, and my antenna, my FM reception went back okay. But I still notice that if I turn the defroster on, the FM actually is not working great. So we're going to put the replacement one in. Things that many YouTubers that is trying to replace the upper portion of the B pillar trim, the B pillar trim. One of the things that they don't mention is you really have to pull this trim out properly, otherwise you're gonna break this. So what I'm seeing in YouTube mostly is that they just like yank this out, and then once they yank this out, everything just like falls off. I mean, you could just like pull them out easily. It's not. So you basically, what you're going to do is you have to pull this out, then once this is out, you have to pull it down. This one, you have to pull it down because this has like a catch in here. If you don't pull this downwards, you're gonna break this trim. There's like a plastic clip in here that basically goes through the frame, and then if you pull it out, you're gonna basically break the tab in here. So the correct way is to basically push this out. I mean, pull this out. Once it's out, you're gonna pull it downwards. So we're gonna do that by first removing this trim. We're just gonna slide this out, or you could pull this up. Either way works. This is hard to slide out, so once you pry this out, you can slide it like this way, and I will just actually sliding doesn't work for me, so we're just gonna leave this as it is, and then put this clip back out, and you could probably slowly pull this outwards too. It's not gonna be easy, but yep, that's the direction. I'm gonna take out this weather stripping. Out the weather stripping, you could actually like take a pick in here, and then somewhere over there there's a clip there that you need to push out. See the clip. I'm just gonna use my pry tool to, yep, okay, so that's out. You might break the clip, but probably not. See, the clip is there. Yep. So this one, this clip is not broken, so the head of the clip just slipped out. Now I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Got this side off, so all the tabs are still intact. Yep. Now I'm gonna take out this weather stripping too, and do the same thing. Look for the tab in here and pull it out. I pushed out the tab in here. Yep. So basically we're gonna see the head remaining in there. Luckily the plastic push pin in there is still okay. So now, oh shit, pretty much it's broken. Yep, that's what I'm saying. Oh, both of them broke. It's so brittle. Yeah, there's no point now. So no matter how careful I am, I still broke it. I'm gonna push it down. Could actually like pull the this trim out downwards, and then I could move the this seat belt clip inwards. It will just go through, and then see this thing here. That shouldn't happen, but since this one is too brittle, they're stuck in here. This is too bad. So I'm gonna take out the upper pin. Yep. Get the upper pin out. Same thing with the other one. Take the upper pin out. It's one of the reasons why my seat belt doesn't retract all the way, because this is full of gunk in here. So I need to clean this one. Make it shiny. So so that my seatbelt will retract. I'm going to install my replacement. Make sure that this is the same position. Look at this missing stuff in here. Basically you need to watch out for this. Yeah, this is the one. Yep, this one. This stuff should go in here. Otherwise you could not position reposition the seat belt. Yep, you need to make sure that you're doing that. Okay, now time to put the seat belt back in, and it should be straightforward. Now I'm actually trying to align this one, that one, to that side over there, and also at the same time that tab should also be going inside the hole in there. Yep, both sides. Yep, so make sure both of them are going in, and then you could slowly position it. Yep. Yeah, so check the this one. I am checking by pressing this one, see if it's catching it. Yep, looks like everything is in place because the gap here is tight. So I'm gonna put the two clips in here, push that tab, then same thing with the other one. Push the tab. The seat belt in place. We're going to remove this clip here. This is a long plastic clip. Yep. And same thing with the other one. Now we're gonna put this clip back in, and then we're gonna insert this one. We're gonna put this back, but this is not gonna be easy because you need these tabs here align with this one over there. Yep, this side should go inside here. Same thing with these tabs here, these two tabs. Yep. Otherwise, if you don't do that, they will not align properly. So I'm gonna slowly put that in. It should be down. Yeah, the space is tight. So we'll try on the other side, but you know the drill. You need to make sure that these tabs go inside this one so that they will be aligned properly. Now I got it all aligned. Time to push it up. Yep, push it up. Yep, see that? It's aligned now. Then this should, on the lower portion, yeah, that clip should just go in easily. You have to blindly make it go inside. It should just snap in. Yeah, it's tough when you don't see the hole actually. Okay. It's not there yet, but we'll try the other side. This side too.